Do you like mulberry? Who on the earth doesn't like mulberry? But for our NEET PG and INCT, this is an important question. Where do you see this mulberry inclusion or morule? Shortcut to remember this is mega berry. M-E-G-A, mega berry. Berry is basically mulberry or morule. What is this mega stands for? M stands for monocyte, E for Ehrlichia, G for granulocyte, A for anaplasma. How to understand this? Monocyte, M monocyte. Inside the monocyte, if you see this mulberry or morule, that is characteristic for Ehrlichia. But inside the granulocyte, particularly neutrophil, inside the neutrophil, if you see this mulberry or morule appearance, that is characteristic for anaplasma. So that is totally mega. Now, what is important about these two species? They are seen in which species? They belong to which family? Rickettsia family, and they are intracellular pathogens, and they are transmitted by tick, tick, tick.